Okay guys, gonna be doing an unboxing video today on this Monteverde Innova Formula M pen. This is my dream pen. I got it in bronze. Gonna be filling it up with the Diamine Ancient Copper ink. Now I realize this pen is not an expensive $1,000 pen or anything, but I just saw this pen and I absolutely fell in love with it. I did get the Omniflex nib. I've only done fine nib and medium nib, so I'm excited to try this. Really nice looking box. And there she is. That is pretty. Very nice weight to it. It does come with 2 ink cartridges, it looks like. Not sure if this is gonna be blue or black. I guess that would make sense if they did one black and yeah, they do one black and one blue, which I think is super cool. The pen itself has a converter. Let's see what else is in here. A little cart. 14 karat gold, that looks really nice. A lot of little cards. I have been eyeing this pen since it randomly showed up on my feed one time and I started researching it, Googling it, finding it, seeing how much it costs. This is nice. They have a little brochure type of thing with all their pens. That's the nib right there. Got a detail on that. That is really nice. This feels really not smooth obviously, but very well finished. Oh, I love that click. I should probably bring like a paper towel of some sort before I do this. I'll be back. Alright, let's make a mess. Ancient Copper, Diamine. I think they have larger bottles, but I mean, I don't really know how much ink I need. I'm also trying this out for the first time. Fairly new into fountain pens, so. I don't think I went deep enough. I'm gonna try that again. Hopefully it doesn't. Alright. I'm not very happy with that, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of flip it over. I'll try that again. Big shout out to my wife for being super supportive with this, chasing her 2-year-old while recording TikTok videos. You guys have any tips or suggestions on how to be neater about this? I always make a mess when I'm inking up pens. It's kind of part of the process for me, I guess, but if you guys know a way to do this cleanly, please drop your suggestions below. Maybe I'm doing something wrong.
Whoa!
This is my current wish list. You can cross this one off. Number 1. First impressions, I absolutely love this pen. It feels really good in the hand. It has a really good weight to it. I do like a heavier pen. The nib's a little, it's not very different, I guess. It doesn't feel a whole ton different from what I'm used to, which is really just the Kakuno Metropolitan. It does have a little bit of flex, though not as much, which is probably a good thing, honestly, considering this would be my first flexible nib. But yeah, so far I like it. Thanks for watching.